is my favorite color.
Yes, I know. Pink is your favorite color.
Blue is my favorite color, and she's my favorite color. Green is my favorite color, and rainbow.
And rainbow. Okay, understood. Got it. My little helper is expressing her favorite color.
I have two.
Okay. Again, I'm going putting some downward. And just kind of sticking them in where I think coverage is needed. Okay, let's see. Maybe one up in this area. Okay, looks good so far. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
And we're
They're
gonna,
big.
and they're big.
Why they're big? Can I pull them down?
And that's going to give us a really pretty starburst type effect.
Yeah.
Again, adding one on each side to make it more symmetrical. And let's see if we can get this one right in the center.
I like it.
I like it too.
It looks like rainbow. It looks like rainbow.
The tree topper is OMI approved. Thanks for watching. Say bye.
Bye.